Welcome back to a new mission. This time we are approaching an abandoned animal food factory, and it's huge, and we are going to explore it. Hopefully it's possible to get it. So they have locked it off, but you can basically just crawl in here. And now we are on site. No cameras, no nothing. So this has been a huge animal food factory. It has basically supplied the whole of Eastern Germany with animal food. And yeah, well, let's just start with this building. Yeah. Okay. You can see like how this might actually have been something that's at least gone through these pipes. Maybe it's actually animal food that went down here. All right. All right. So it's actually quite cool. There's still a lot of stuff you can like see. Yeah. And you can see they had an elevator. So yeah, basically this factory is quite old and has been a major part of this town for many years, producing a lot of animal food. And oh shit, some traps here. Maybe it's actually the remains of the animal food you can see here. It looks like some corn or something. Oh. So yeah, we'll just try to go to the top. It's quite interesting to see these abandoned factories because you can really see what they produced. It's quite cool. And it seems like quite a bit is left of these pipes. But you gotta be careful here because there's holes everywhere. Yeah, you can easily see how they produced animal food for the most of Eastern Germany. But the thing is, under the DDR, Deutsche Demokratische Republik, it was not like privately owned. It was more like if you're a factory under the DDR, you supply the DDR. So it's not really, it was like taken over by the communism. But it's very cool. You have to get to the top. Exactly, always do.
It's so broken, look at that overpass.
Wow.
That's scary as well.
Yeah.
You have to get to the top.
One more of these standard rooms. I can see the top now of this factory. Or at least this building. There are apparently a lot more to explore. And you got the view over the lake. How beautiful. Whoa, holy shit. Well, it could be fun to cross here, but let's get to the top first. So, here's some more sketchy stairs for today. I wonder what they did up here, why they got all this stuff. I mean, it seems to be inefficient to transport the food all the way up here, to just pour it down. But maybe it's a part of the cycle. But it seems like something would go into these pipes and continue down the system. Yeah, bloody hell. But Let's go up the last set of stairs. So I wonder what they would use this room for. I mean, maybe they transported all this stuff up through like an elevator here and then sawed it or something into these pipes. Let's go down to that sky bridge and let's cross that. So let's hope the sky bridge is as well made as the other things here, because that's a deadly drop if it doesn't hold up. But it's made out of wood or something. That is so disgusting. Look how far down it is. You are instantly dead if you fall down this, so I think I'll stick to these nails where I know there's something underneath. Oh, but over here it gets really bad. Oh, it's disgusting with all the flies here. Maybe I should try go to the other side. This feels hella unsafe. Question of time before someone walks here with a break. Nasty sounds and that moved. Ooh. What a disgusting walk. And these are like rotten. It's just a question of time before someone walks here and they just break. I think they make some nasty sounds and that one moved. Whew. What a disgusting walk. Now into this other part, it seems like it's basically the same system it's using. Let's check this one first. Oh, they probably go the same place. Oh, stop. Yeah, fuck. Oh, it's up here they put the antennas. Yeah, so up here everyone can see us, so probably not the best idea to stand up here the whole day. Let's just head down this and explore the next parts. So yeah, even this abandoned building is still kind of in use with the antennas on top. Damn, it's so far down. That's just a black hole. I wonder what's down there. Whoa. It's a huge, like, silo, yeah. Look at that. It's a massive black hole. If you fall down there, you're certain death. Some sketchy stairs. Oh, there's a lot of bees. A lot of disgusting insects down here. Seems like we are. Yeah. It's very cool, like these staircases. And look, this complex is just massive. Got the kids down there. Yeah, so now we're on the ground floor. No, we gotta go out on the roof. So I think what you see over there is like the administrative buildings. They look quite old, so it might be like one of the first buildings of this factory. And this looks like the newer stuff. So let's go to this part over here. It looks cool as well. Okay, so we got the wooden. Whoa, yeah, this is certainly the old building, or the oldest of them. It stinks of dead animal in here, and it's certainly not that safe to climb around. Maybe we can go up to some of the sky bridges, but I can feel the floor is like not really that sturdy.
Not the safest here.
No. A lot of asbestos. I think we should not continue this way because it's too dangerous.
Yeah, there's nothing.
Yeah, shall we go this way? Yeah, you can see that it's equally crumbling. That's cool. I don't know what they've used this for. Maybe, I don't know if they would transport it over the lake, but maybe. Maybe, and then they had this crane that could lift something from the ships, but this is not like a river, it's just a lake, so I'm not sure. Alright, so you can see right now where we were all the way on that bridge, and you can see how shitty it looks from the bottom. It's absolutely crazy.